Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Halal Talk Show, where we explore halal food options and help you make informed choices. Today's review is about Kennedy Fried Chicken, a popular fast food chain, known for its fried chicken and sides. The question many of you have asked is it truly halal? Kennedy Fried Chicken offers fried chicken pieces, wings, sandwiches, fries, and other fast food favorites. Their food is flavorful and widely loved, making it a popular stop for those looking for quick halal meals. Now, let's check the halal status. Some Kennedy Fried Chicken locations claim to serve halal certified meat, and certain branches are Muslim owned, which adds reliability. Community feedback suggests that many branches do follow halal practices, especially those explicitly advertising certification. However, caution is required. Not all outlets automatically follow halal standards, even if halal is mentioned in marketing. Cross-contamination or lack of proper certification may occur in some locations. As Muslims, it's our duty to verify by asking the staff about halal suppliers and checking for certificates before ordering. So the verdict: Kennedy Fried Chicken can be halal if proper certification and Muslim ownership are present. Always confirm with your local branch before eating. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you eaten at Kennedy Fried Chicken? Did your branch provide halal certification, and what's your favorite dish? Share your experience in the comments to help the community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Halal Talk Show for more halal reviews and guidance every week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.